Hello, in this video we are going to talk about Project 1, which is now posted on D2L. It is posted in the Projects Content folder, and there are a few things that are posted in this folder, which I'm going to talk through briefly now. First off, we have this Excel help document, which really just has a few links for a few topics that may come up or definitely will come up when completing the Project 1. So a few topics here with some more details and then links to some helpful sites. As I say in the document, I will add to this table if I receive questions from people or if new topics are required on future projects, something like that, I will add to this. So please keep looking back at this throughout the semester. If you have an issue with completing something in Excel, check here first. Next, we have the full description of Project 1. The first page contains some more detailed instructions. It is due on Tuesday, 10/10. That's in a week and a half by the end of the day. You can either submit it online, I've created an assignment on D2L, or you can turn it into me in class in person that day. If you want to turn it into me in person, you need to do it during class. If you want longer to work on it, then you need to turn it in online. You need to type everything in a word process document, so that would mean something like Microsoft Word. You can easily copy stuff from Excel to Word, so that might make it easier on you. There's some general instructions on what you should do. There's an example here of a wrong solution and a right solution. And then on page 2 starts the description of the problem. So each problem has its own data set, which is also posted on D2L. I will look through those in a moment. So there's a description of the problem, and then there's some specific tasks that you're asked to carry out. Same thing for problem 2 with another data set, description, tasks, and then problem 3 with the data set, the description, and the tasks again. So for the data sets, there are 3 different data sets. And I'm sorry, my computer is working a little slowly today. So this is the data set for problem 1. There are data sets for problems 2 and 3, all labeled here. To access these, you will need to download each one of them. And then once it's downloaded, you can open it up in Excel if you have Excel on your machine. You can open it up in Google Sheets. If you prefer to work with that, you'll have to upload the file. If you have some other sort of spreadsheet software, you can use whatever you want. They should all have the same functionality. I have only used Excel in class, and the Excel tip sheet is specific to Excel, but from my experience with Google Sheets, at least, most of the formulas and the functionality is the same. So you can use something else if you would like. You might have to spend more time figuring out how to do things a little bit on your own. But that is the data for the first problem. You can download all 3 data sets and then have them to use to complete Project 1. If you want to submit it online, you need to go to the assignments on D2L. And here is the assignment for Project 1. There's a little bit more information here. A lot of this is copied from the syllabus. Remember that projects are individual work. You need to work on them on your own. You can't talk to any of your classmates about it or any other students. If you have questions, feel free to come and talk to me. And I guess that's it. If you have questions, let me know.